Carma guy here. So, I've got this 2008 BMW M3 Convertible, and let me tell you, it's a gem. It's only got 77,000 miles on it, super low for its age, and it's been dealer serviced at about $4,000. We're talking new spark plugs, valve cover gaskets, water pump, coolant, basically all the stuff that keeps the engine running smooth. Plus, it's got current GA emissions, so you're set. We've also done a full computer scan, and it's all in the clear. No codes, no warning lights, and all the monitors passed, which means the car's in great shape, and you don't have to worry about any surprises later. You can see the scan in the photos, super transparent. Here's the deal. This M3 is dealer certified pre-owned, so it comes with a 3-month or 3,000-mile warranty. And if you're thinking long-term, we're offering a 5-year maintenance plan at a discount. You can also upgrade to a lifetime warranty if you want that extra peace of mind. One thing to note, if there's any price reduction or discount, it won't come with the CPO warranty or service plan. But honestly, it's worth it for the coverage you get. If you're interested or have any questions, let us know. This BMW's ready for a new home.